In today's video, I'm going to show to you how to resize and crop images in Pixlr quickly and easily, even if you've never used the editor before. This is a super useful skill if you want to prepare images for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, websites, presentations, or any project where your image needs to fit a specific size. The best part is that Pixlr lets you do this right in your browser, and you don't need to create an account to get started. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Pixlr, then click Open Image to upload the file you want to edit. You can drag and drop an image or browse your computer and select the file manually. Once your image loads into the workspace, you're ready to start editing. Now, let's begin with resizing the image. At the top of the screen, click Image and then choose Image Size from the menu. This opens the resize settings where you can control the exact dimensions of your image. Before you change anything, make sure Constrain Proportions is turned on. You'll usually see this as a lock icon, and it's very important because it keeps the image from stretching or becoming distorted. With that enabled, you can type in a new width or a new height, and Pixlr will automatically update the other value for you. This makes it much easier to keep your image looking natural while still changing the size to match your needs. For example, if you want a smaller image for faster uploads or a larger one for better presentation, you can enter the new size right here. After you've entered your desired dimensions, click Apply to confirm the resize. Your image is now scaled to the new size while keeping the correct proportions. Next, let's talk about cropping the image. Cropping is useful when you want to remove extra space, focus on a subject, or change the composition of the picture. To do this, press C on your keyboard or click the crop tool in the left toolbar. It usually looks like a frame or scissors icon. Once the crop tool is active, you'll see white handles around the edges of your image. Click and drag those handles to frame the part of the image you want to keep. Everything outside that frame will be removed once you apply the crop. If you want a specific shape or size, you can also enter an aspect ratio in the top tool options bar. For example, if you need a 16:9 image, just type that ratio in so Pixlr keeps the crop locked to those dimensions. This is especially helpful for YouTube thumbnails, banners, and other content where consistency matters. Take a moment to position the crop carefully so the most important part of the image stays visible. Once you're happy with the selection, press Enter on your keyboard or click Apply to finish the crop. Pixlr will then cut away the outside edges and leave you with the final framed image. So that's the full process for resizing and cropping images in Pixlr. First, open your image, then use image size to scale it properly, and finally use the crop tool to trim it down to the exact composition you want. It's a simple workflow, but once you know it, you can edit images much faster and with a lot more control. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.